the last topic for the chapter, matrices. It is matrices and PMI. Now, do you remember what is PMI? PMI was done in class 11th. It is principle of mathematical induction. Now, we have gone through the chapter principle of mathematical induction. Now, some questions are based on principle of mathematical induction. Okay. So, now let's move for a very nice question. If we are having, if A is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta and cos theta. This is matrix A. A raised to power n is equal to cos n theta sin n theta minus sin n theta and cos n theta. What we have to do? Prove. Okay. A is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, and we have to prove an is equal to cos n theta sin n theta minus sin n theta and cos n theta. This we have to prove. When we are having a power n, it means we have to follow induction. Okay. What we have done for the induction? Basic step and inductive step. In basic step, we have to put n is equal to 1 and we have to show that Pn is true. And the inductive step, we have to take n is equal to k and then n is equal to k plus 1. If n is equal to k is true, then n is equal to k plus 1 is true. Okay. So, let's move with the basic step now. Solution. Step 1. Now, step 1 is what? Let n is equal to 1. This we are putting, let n is equal to 1. Now, A1 is equal to, A1 means A raised to power n. A1 is equal to now cos theta, putting n is equal to 1 here, cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Okay. So, A1 is A. Now, n is equal to 1 is true by principle of mathematical induction. N is equal to 1 is true by principle of mathematical induction for all values of n where n belongs to natural number. Okay. This is step number 1. Now, step number 2. Step 2, let n is equal to k. Now, putting n is equal to k, what we are getting? A raised to power k is equal to cos k theta sin k theta minus sin k theta and cos k theta. This is for n is equal to k. Now, reason we have to write it, n is equal to k is true when n is equal to 1 is true by PMI. PMI stands for principle of mathematical induction. Okay. Principle of mathematical induction. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Now, step 3 is what? Step 3, let n is equal to k plus 1. You have to put in place of n k plus 1. Okay. Now a raised to power k plus 1 is equal to cos k plus 1 theta sin k plus 1 theta minus sin k plus 1 theta and cos k plus 1 theta. Cos k plus 1 theta. Now we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. So we have to prove now, we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Need not to write this, I am just writing for explaining you. Okay. So we have to prove this part is equal to this part. Okay. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now left hand side, a raised to power k plus 1 to this we can write it a raised to power k, a raised to power 1. When we are writing like this, now we will be getting what? This is equal to a raised to power k cos k theta sin k theta minus sin k theta cos k theta with a. A is what? Original question. Cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. We have to multiply now aka is equal to now I am multiplying this by this. Okay. So we are having rows with columns. Cos k theta with cos theta plus sin k theta with minus sin theta. Then cos k theta with sin theta plus sin k theta cos theta. First row, first column, first row, second column. Cos k theta cos theta, cos k theta cos theta, sin k theta minus sin theta. Okay. Similarly, second one. Now, second row, first column, minus sin k theta with cos theta, cos k theta with minus sin theta. Second row, second column, minus sin k theta sin theta plus cos k theta cos theta. Now what this becomes? Further this becomes cos k theta minus sin k theta sin theta, cos k theta sin theta plus sin k theta cos theta. Here minus and this is also minus, so it becomes minus, in the bracket we can write it sin k theta cos theta plus cos k theta sin theta. Both terms are minus, I have taken minus common, and this becomes cos k theta cos theta minus sin k theta sin theta. Now we are having this part. I have taken this as a first and negative of this one I have written further. Now what this becomes? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and again cos A, it is cos B, now it is cos A sin B. plus sin A sin B. So these becomes the identities used in class 11th in the trigonometry. Now this becomes cos k theta plus theta sin k theta plus theta minus sin k theta plus theta and cos k theta plus theta using the formulas. Okay. Further this becomes cos, now taking theta common, cos k plus 1 theta sin k plus 1 theta minus sin k plus 1 theta cos k plus 1 theta. Okay. So now you can check it, this is equal to this part. It was for k plus 1, what we wrote it earlier for right hand side. Okay. So now you can write it, therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence n is equal to k plus 1 is true when n is equal to k is true by principle of mathematical induction. Where n is equal to k plus 1 is true when n is equal to k is true by principle of mathematical induction. So we have to move this question in this manner.